Why does the Supreme Court use a writ of certiorari? Imagine a court that only hears cases it finds most significant or where legal questions need clarification. This is the role of the United States Supreme Court when it issues a writ of certiorari. The term certiorari comes from Latin, meaning to be more certain. It is a formal request for the lower court to send the record of a case for review. The Supreme Court does not automatically hear all cases brought before it. Instead, it relies on this procedural tool to select cases that have broad legal implications or resolve disagreements among lower courts. The primary purpose of issuing a writ of certiorari is to ensure that the court's docket is manageable and that it focuses on cases of national importance. The court receives thousands of petitions each year, but it grants only a small percentage. The process involves a detailed review of petitions to determine if the case involves a significant constitutional question, conflicts among lower courts, or issues that requiring uniform interpretation of federal law. When the court grants certiorari, it means it has agreed to review the case in detail. The decision to issue a writ of certiorari is guided by the rule of 4, meaning at least 4 justices must agree to hear the case. This consensus ensures that the case has enough importance to warrant the court's attention. Once certiorari is granted, the court schedules oral arguments and reviews the legal briefs submitted by both sides. This process allows the justices to clarify legal principles and resolve ambiguities in the law. In summary, the Supreme Court uses a writ of certiorari as a strategic and selective tool to focus on cases that have the most significant legal impact. It helps maintain the court's role as the ultimate interpreter of the Constitution and federal law, ensuring that its decisions address the most pressing legal questions facing the nation.